Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI. I have to tell you, my dentist was right. They recommended a mouth guard to me, and I was very leery because I've used them in the past, but this one from Cheeky is probably one of the best mouth guards that I've encountered. What's really neat about this mouth guard is that it's completely customized to you, but you don't have to leave your house to get it. The kit comes with everything that you need so you can create a mold of your teeth. The directions are very clear and they even have helpful videos in case you're a little bit confused or want to make sure you do it right. I was really pleasantly surprised because when I received my mouth guard back, it was fitted to a T to my mouth. The mouth guard itself is very thin material, which is really nice because in the past when I've had them, it really hurt my gums or maybe hurt the roof of my mouth. But this one is so comfortable, honestly, I don't even know that it's there. The best benefit that I've experienced from using this particular mouth guard is when I wake up in the morning, I notice that I don't have the same level of tension. So obviously my dentist was right and I grind my teeth much more than I thought. It's easy to clean. All you have to do is either rinse it in the morning or you can lightly brush it with the same toothpaste that you use or a very mild soap like a baby soap. Rinse it really well and it's ready for the next time that you need it. If you've been told that you need a night guard, I would highly recommend this one by Cheeky. It really has transformed my thoughts about night guards, how well that it fits, and I feel so much better during the day from using it. But that's just my point of view.